Watering is not the only maintenance tip for an attractive lawn. Another important tip is to select the right seed from the onset. The type of grasses used in Florida. The grasses are mainly divided into the cool season grasses and the warm season grasses. You will need to select a grass seed that can withstand the weather condition in your area if you want your lawn to grow without hindrance. There are grasses that are suited for cool seasons like winter, while there are others that are able to withstand hot, humid, summer weather conditions. It is important that when selecting grass for your Florida home lawn, you choose a species that will survive the weather conditions in your location. Selecting the best grass for your Florida home. Some of the key things you need to take into consideration when choosing grass for your Florida home include the weather condition in your area. Check out the type of grasses that are popular among your neighbors to help you make your choice. Use healthy seeds when planting. Do a soil test before planting any grass type to check if the soil is rich in nutrients needed to support the growth of your lawn grass. The best grass seed to plant in Florida. The best seeds for warm weather. 1. Carpet grass, Axonopus affinis. The carpet grass is common in the southern and central parts of Florida. Carpet grass thrives better on wet soils and a flatbed. You should plant carpet grass on a wet lawn with a pH of 4.5 to 5.5. Sandy soils are a better choice when it comes to choosing soil for carpet grass. You will need to care for your carpet grass regularly by watering it in extremely hot weather and mowing it every other month or so. 2. Zoysia grass, Zoysia spp. The zoysia grass is available in different species and is popular in parts of Florida. They are less tolerant to drought compared to other warm weather grass, which makes them difficult to maintain. If you have an irrigation system or sprinklers installed for your lawn, then you can, by all means, use this seed. You should also endeavor to mow your lawn frequently to keep it attractive. 3. Bermuda grass, Cynodon spp. Bermuda grass is known to be one of the best grass seeds you can plant in warm weather. They have the ability to spread quickly and can grow in any direction. This makes it difficult to control them when they are planted around flowers. Their ability to grow rapidly means that they will require regular maintenance, especially when you use fertilizers on your lawn. The seeds can grow on any soil type, but don't do so well when they are planted under the shade. 4. Centipede grass, Aramocloa ophiuroides. Centipede grass is a lot better under the shade compared to Bermuda grass. They grow on the surface of the soil, which makes them a very good grass for use in weed control. You can plant centipede grass in Florida using seed or sod. It takes a longer time for centipede grass to cover an area compared to Bermuda and zoysia grass. The best seeds for cool weather. 1. Perennial ryegrass, Lolium perenne. You can use them to cover your new lawn temporarily during winter, as they are able to grow thick roots under the snow. They also don't need regular maintenance and can do well when planted under the shade in any part of Florida. 2. Tall fescue, Festuca arundinacea. It has the ability to grow in any kind of soil. However, they cannot survive under the sun and are only accustomed to cool, shady areas. Finding the right grass seed for your Florida lawn shouldn't be difficult. Which grass seeds are you familiar with? We will like to hear from you in the comment section. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.